Hi everyone, I'm Roxanne, back again today for unboxing of the BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe. We just got this today, I haven't opened it yet. Just so you know, this box is, the regular box is $21 plus $5 for shipping to Canada. It's all in American dollars, it's about $34 Canadian as of right now because our dollar is a little low. To upgrade to BoxyLuxe, you had to pay an extra $28.99 American again, plus an extra $3 to Canada to ship. So it works out to be about $50 if you round it up, plus $8 to ship. I was able to snag a box, crazily enough, within like 5 minutes of it opening. I ended up just going to the website a little after 9 o'clock and I was able just to upgrade before the site crashed. I've been with BoxyCharm on and off for only a couple months. It's not my favorite subscription so far, but then again, it's everybody's taste. This box though, I was really excited for. I did see some of the spoilers, so let's get into the box and you guys can decide. Now BoxyLuxe is only going to be every 3 months, so the next one is December. So if you do sign up today, you can be put onto the December wait list. Not exactly sure how they're going to do that, who's going to be able to get it. You will get, if you sign up I believe today, you might get September's box, which will be part of the items in here, and then you will get you know, a regular box to come October, November, and then in December we'll probably see who gets a BoxyLuxe. So anyway, let's get on with this. Let's open this up. I'm so excited. Ooh, so it comes with a little book, and at the back it'll tell you your discounts and the items and how much they cost inside. So right away, wow, this is huge. I didn't think it was going to be this big. So this is the Tarte Park Ave Princess. Oh my gosh, that's huge. Let's see the inside of this. Wow. Oh, those are so pretty. I don't know if you can see this. I'm sorry, my camera doesn't autofocus, but we'll work on that. Oh, oh, it smells so good. Oh, it's so pretty. So it's got more padding, which is kind of nice. So let's see if I can show you some of the stuff right away. So one of the items every box will get is the Tarte for the Luxe box. This will be in every box. This is so pretty. It's Nightingale Pretty VULGAR Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, that's so pretty. Love eyeshadows, as you can tell. Very good. So then we get these Alamar brushes. I have so many brushes, I'm not sure if I will actually keep these or not. My daughter has a box coming as well, so these are nice and soft. Ooh, I really like this one. These are so pretty. So I don't have many blushes, so I'm excited to actually get this one. This is the blush I was kind of hoping. So this could be a variant item. You could get this one or the highlighter Midnight Duo from, I think it's Gellar. This one is from Gellar, and this is Bake Blush-N-Brighten. So BoxyLuxe is supposed to be a higher end box with makeup, skincare, and as well as a few lifestyle items. So this would be a lifestyle item. I believe this is actually just a bonus. It's not as big as what I thought it was, but I will totally be using this. And it feels sturdy. So one of the other items that is a variation is the Juice Beauty. You could get the Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer or a serum. So I got the moisturizer. And I'm thrilled to be getting the moisturizer. Oh, that's like huge. Can't really smell it. So I've never tried Juice Beauty, so I'm excited to try that. Oh, look at that, a full-size Socho Coconut Smashbox Photo Primer. I'm pulling everything out of the package for you. So let's see what it smells like. I'm not a big fan of coconut, but I think I'm going to try that. Another variation is the lipstick. So I believe there's 4 variations. I got the Violet Voss in Tryst, and that is pretty. I will be probably keeping that. That is a little bit my color. Oh, so pretty. This I'm super excited about. It's a Luxie Airbrush foundation. So Luxie and BoxyCharm decided to come out with some brushes. Oh, so this I think is retails for about $38, and I'm thrilled to be getting that. So another one is the R+Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo. You could get a high shine moisturizer. I love dry shampoos. I know I just got one in Glossybox, but I will add this to my rotation. And then a nice pink vintage Cosmetics hair thing, headband, which I don't have one of these, so I guess I do now, and I'll be excited to use that again. And the last item is Sol de Janeiro. I know I said that wrong, I'm sorry. Sunset Glow Oil. So I'm a huge fan of their stuff. I have their Boom Boom cream. I have the foot cream, and I love it. I've tried the body. What do you call it? The body buff, that's what it is. So it's got a seal on it, so I'm not gonna open that up. So I am probably gonna try this. I heard that really great things about this. Oops. Let's not go back on. Let's see here, the book here. So the Park Avenue Princess palette retails for $45. So that's almost just the cost of the box right there for me. The Laura Gellar blush is $28. It does say sample on the back, but I don't think this is the sample. I think this is full size. I just think they put that on there so couldn't take it back. So we did that. So the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette is $35. The shampoo is $17. Now I'm not sure if that's full size or not. I'll have to look into that. Your limited edition photo finish primer water is $32. So there's almost double the box right there in those few items. The Sunset Glow oil is $35. The lipstick is $12. The foundation brush is $38, like I said. This here is worth $70. So right here makes more than the cost of the box. So everything else is like a bonus. The brushes are $18, and this is $5. You don't say how much the tote is, so I would assume that's a freebie. So that is the box. If you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below. You can also hit subscribe and watch for more videos. I have a lot of box coming in September, so I will constantly be updating my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.